morning. My name is Arnav. Today we are talking about the motions of Earth. The first motion is called rotation. Earth rotates along its axis from west to east. So it rotates anti-clockwise and it takes 24 hours for Earth to complete an rotation. Day and night occur due to rotation of the earth. The earth that divides day from night on globe is called the circle of illumination. So I want to ask you something. Which other planet also rotates almost 24 hours? You can answer me in the comment box. So let us proceed. Earth rotates on the tilted axis. Earth's rotational axis makes an angle of 23.5 degree. Okay. uh, with the normal, that is, it makes an angle of 66.5 with orbital plane. Okay. And the orbital plane is the plane of Earth's orbit around the sun. Now we will talk about revolution. Revolution is the second motion of Earth that causes season, and it takes 365 and half and quarter days, 1 year to revolve around the sun. And then there is also leap year when February has 29 days instead of 28 days. And why does it have so? Because we have 365 and also this 1 by 4. So let me calculate for you. 1 by 4 is called 1 minute. 1 by 4 is called point 0.25. So into 4 is equal to 0.100. So it's not fitting. Let it be there. And that means that this 0.25 makes 1 day extra. So it is called the leap year when we have the 1 day extra, and that is in 4 years. Because 25 into 4 is equal to 100, so 0.25 into 4 is equal to zero point 0.1. I mean 1. And this is summer here in the northern hemisphere. It is the summer solstice in 21 June, this summer solstice. And this is the winter solstice in southern hemisphere. This is the equinox of 23rd September, and this is equinox for 21st March. Now this is solstice. We have added a video of solstice and equinox for you. You can watch it on our website. On our channel. So this now we're talking about the hemisphere and 21st, and we are talking about the equinox, and we are talking about the solstice. So first we'll talk about the solstice. On 21st June, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. The rays of the sun directly fall on Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Cancer. As a result, these areas receive more heat, and the North Pole is inclined towards the sun, and the places beyond the Arctic Circle experience continuous J for about 6 months. Since a larger portion of the northern hemisphere is getting light from the sun, getting light from the sun, It is summer in the regions north of the equator, that is the northern hemisphere. And the longest day and the shortest night at these places are on 21st June. At this time in southern hemisphere, all these conditions are reserved. In winter season there, the nights are longer than days. The position of the earth is called summer solstice. On 22nd of December, the Tropic of Capricorn receives direct rays of the sun as the South Pole tilts toward it. And tilts toward it as the sun falls vertically at Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees. A larger portion of southern hemisphere gets light. Therefore, it's summer in southern hemisphere with longer days and shorter nights. The reverse happens in northern hemisphere. It's winter solstice there now. And equinox on 21st March and September 23rd, the direct rays of sun fall on equator. In this position, neither of the poles tilted toward the sun, so the whole Earth experience equal days and equal nights, almost equal days and equal nights. For example, 12 hours and 1 minute day, and 11 hours and 59 minutes night. So there's a gap of 1 minute, but it's almost the same. So let us proceed. The northern hemisphere, and on 23rd September it's autumn season after summer and before the beginning of winter in northern hemisphere, and spring season after winter and before the beginning of summer in southern hemisphere. The opposite is the case in 21st March, where it's spring in northern hemisphere and autumn in southern hemisphere. Thus you find that there are days and nights in these seasons. There are days and nights and changes in seasons because of the rotation and revolution of earth respectively. Rotation is equal to days and night, revolution is equal to seasons. This is a picture. Summer solstice, this is the night side, and this is the equator. So this part is getting the summer solstice, and this part is getting the winter solstice, and it's night side and day side, um, and because of rotation, the this place is facing the sun, so it's day side here and night side here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and please watch the second part of this. Its link is in the description box. Thank you.